So let's summarize where we are. We started with a probability ranking principle. We proved that if you rank by the posterior of relevance, then you're going to get optimal performance for any kind of evaluation metric that you care about. And through a sequence of ungodly assumptions, we converted that posterior of relevance into that formula, which is basically the sum of the IDF scores for the words that are both in the document and in the query. And the path that we took is encoded in 7 independence assumptions, right? So we assumed, well, I'm not going to reiterate them. We assumed that we assumed all of the following things. And we made those assumptions for different purposes, right? Some are made to make estimation tractable, some are made to make estimation possible without any examples, some are made purely for computational reasons, so you can compute things faster. So these are, for example, computational, and A5 and A6 are related to not having any examples. Now, the reason we went through this pain is now the question of how we can improve the model takes on a different shape. So rather than having an arbitrary formula and saying, well, let's tinker with it, now we've encoded a path that we took, and that path is just a sequence of assumptions. So if you want to make the model better, pick your favorite of these assumptions and try to relax it. Try to develop a model that doesn't make the same assumption.